the first letter in the alphabet. It often represents excellence, as in grade. B, the second letter. It can symbolize a secondary position, like Plan B. C, the third letter. It's often used to denote average quality, as in grade C. D, the fourth letter. In grading, it signifies below average performance. E, the fifth letter. Often associated with energy in physics, as in E equals mc squared. F, the sixth letter. In grading systems, it represents failure. G, the seventh letter. It can represent the note in music or a grade better than F. H, the eighth letter. It can stand for hydrogen, the first element on the periodic table. I, the ninth letter. It often symbolizes oneself, as in the pronoun I. J, the 10th letter. Commonly used to denote a variable in mathematics or as an initial. K, the 11th letter. Represents 1,000 in metric prefixes, like kilometer, km. L, the 12th letter. It can stand for liter, a unit of volume, or denote loss in sports. M, the 13th letter. Often used to represent a million, such as in megabyte, MB. N, the 14th letter. Can denote nitrogen in chemistry or a variable in math. O, the 15th letter. Often represents oxygen in science or something round in shape. P, the 16th letter. It can symbolize a variable in math or phosphorus in chemistry. Question, the 17th letter. Often used to denote a question or the quality of something. R, the 18th letter. It can stand for radius in geometry or resistance in physics. S, the 19th letter. Often used to denote plurals in English or sulfur in chemistry. T, the 20th letter. It can represent time in physics or a variable in math. U, the 21st letter, often stands for the universal set in mathematics. V, the 22nd letter. It represents voltage in physics or victory in general terms. W, the 23rd letter, often associated with wattage in physics or win in sports. X, the 24th letter, commonly used to represent an unknown variable in algebra. Y, the 25th letter, often used as a variable in math or to denote the y-axis. Z, the 26th and final letter. It can symbolize the end or a variable in math.